Texas deer. Mouflon, it's got some mouflon sheep. It's got some wild goats on it. We're gonna see if we can catch some bottom fish here.
Didn't open all the way. Jerry's locked up with something.
He about gave me a heart attack, dude, when he said that. I went, no. Nice and smooth, nice and easy.
What's he got on there?
Not sure, I made a snapper. You're right a little. Kind of felt like a snapper, right, Joe?
And a snapper is.
Color? Go.
Keep it tight, don't get that snack. That rod, yeah.
Right, great snapper, good job.
Nice.
Yeah, nice little snapper there.
Look at the teeth on that guy.
All right, good deal.
Good job.
All right, man.
That was pretty sweet. That was nice.
Man, this camera's clear.
Like that little gas amp. Grab another bell.
I'm trying to keep the video on him. Where is it?
Just grab that fluid. Here, what do you guys going to take?
Take the rod from Greg. Take the rod from Greg.
Dad, you needed me to put a belt on you or something?
Wow.
I'm trying to video.
All right, there you go. There you go. Turn it. All right, good job. Yeah, you got a fish on you.
Wow. Yeah, buddy.
All right, nice one. Good fighters, aren't they?
They will hit that cut bait, huh?
All right. It's a good one. Cool fish.
Look at that. Beautiful. What you got there, Al?
Pull into this outrigger here.
Probably a little snapper.
You want to move back to the corner, Al? Give yourself a little more room.
See, they're starting to show up.
And that's as much fun as amberjacks.
Yeah, they tell you they hammer you, don't they?
Wow.
Easy, let them run. Reel down on him.
I'll get out of your way here.
This shit's fun. I work on some other boats and all we do is just go trolling around like these guys.
What's that?
I said I work on a couple different other boats and all we do is leave at 6 o'clock and just go troll the artificial.
See, we do what we like over here on this boat.
Oh, this is,
That's fish.
I'll tell you what, we love bottom fishing.
Yeah. So I lived down in the Keys for about 3 years and that's all I did down there, be with grouper and snapper and shit. Good fun. Busy fishing, you know? You go trolling around, you might sit there for 8 hours and not touch your rod.
It's a lot more interactive.
Yeah, so yeah, you get to feel the bite, you get to hold a rod.
I saw you get that bite. You felt that bite all right.
Oh, man. He about jerked it out of my hand.
Nice and easy. Yeah, he got bit right after that, too. You felt that bite, too, didn't you?
Well, that's a... Oh, nice.
Right, nice job. Good job, guys.
There you go. All right, buddy. Good job. That's a first for all of us, these gray snappers. Beautiful fish. All right.